Hey, this is Steve Baumgartner. Welcome back to Baumgartner Ranch. Good news, talked to the city today, and looks like I'm on for the parade for July 3rd at 6 p.m. at Sachse, S-A-C-H-E, in Texas. I'll be driving around the Dallas County Commissioner and for about 2 hours. Sounds pretty cool. It's my first parade that I'll be in, so I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna bring my wife. I think he's gonna have his 2 kids involved in the back seat, so we're gonna have at least 5 people in a 4-person car. But we're gonna be going slow, so it shouldn't be an issue. But I'm pretty excited again. So I'll get you more. I took some pictures just to give you an idea what the car looks like with the sign on it. We're going to get some more pictures during the parade, and maybe if I can pull it off, get an interview with the commissioner. So there you go. I'll keep you posted. Thanks.